Today we will be showing you how to replace a Sun L280 tape autoloader with drive. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. The first thing you will need to do is ensure that the tape drive is unloaded. If it is not, use the Unload Drive option from the main menu to attempt to unload the drive into an open magazine slot. If this operation fails, you will need to remove the tape manually from the drive once the replacement is complete. Please see our video on how to replace a drive in an L280 for instructions on how to remove the drive correctly for manual tape extraction. Now that the drive is unloaded and the autoloader is idle, you will need to remove all tapes from the autoloader. To do this, first you will need to press and hold the cancel button for 3 to 5 seconds. Then you can gently pull on the door handle and it should open. Swing the arm out to release the magazine and pull it straight back and out of the library. Remove all tapes from the magazine and also check the 2 fixed slots behind the magazine as well and remove tapes from them until both areas are completely empty. Then reinstall the magazine and close the door. Last, use the front panel to check the SCSI ID and mode of the unit and be sure to record these down so they can be changed on the replacement unit as well. Then hit the power switch to turn the unit off. Move to the rear of the autoloader and unplug the power cable and SCSI cables and terminator from the rear of the unit. Now return to the front of the unit and remove it from the rack and set it on a cart so that you can remove the cover and feet. Then carefully install the unit into the rack and move to the rear of the unit. Connect all SCSI cables and terminator and then plug the power cable into the rear of the unit. Move to the front and flip the power switch to the on position and allow the unit to initialize. Ensure that the autoloader initializes completely without any errors. Then, you can change the SCSI ID and the mode of the unit to match what the faulty unit had been. Power cycle the unit for those changes to take effect. Now the administrator may need to rescan their hardware and/or reconfigure their backup software for the replacement autoloader and drive. Any questions in regards to backup software should be directed to their software support or manufacturer. If you are having any issues with your autoloader replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.